So this is part 2 of the engine rebuild. We already took all of these parts out for the engine, from the engine, I mean, carburetor and stuff. So yeah, that we have it lifted right here. Take this out. We're gonna take out the screws from the bottom. You can see them. That, and yeah, so we can get started. It looks inside the crankshaft. Pretty cool. Really cool. A lot of oil inside too. Spins. Okay guys, we're gonna put the piston rings on. We're gonna put them back into the shaft where they go. We're gonna start putting everything back where it was and finish this engine rebuild. So yeah, these are the pistons. As you can see, we need to put the piston rings in here. Clean out everything with oil, clean it up with gas. Everything's nice, as you can see. So yeah, guys, when you're putting the piston rings, you have to be careful by putting them on the right side, and be careful because they could break, as you can see right there. And then this one too, these are brand new, so you have to be careful placing them. So yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna put the pistons in the cylinder, and you need a special tool to be able to clamp these down with pressure and be able to put them inside like that. So yeah. Hey guys, you have to add a little oil inside, a bit of lubricate, and go in is here. Where you just rub it down with your fingers. Now we have to put the seal. This is a part. Remember, if you guys want it, right there, and then That's we have to put it right here. So yeah, let's get that done. Okay, so you're putting the ring or whatever it is, the seal. You have to put a little bit of oil and put a wood on and tap it or hit it slowly, and it has to go in even. So yeah. So we just took the heads off. We're gonna clean the bulbs. We're gonna put brand new ones. These are the springs. We have to clean these out. They're filled with gas. See? So yeah, let's do that. So we were starting to put the bolts in. We're just trying to figure out what the torque is. We're googling it to the Kawasaki app. But yeah, we already put the crankcase. Now we're just gonna put everything back in. It's not that hard. So yeah. Guys, now it's time to put the gasket. I think it's the sealant to put on these edges to be able to close it together. We already put everything back where it was. Now it's just time to close and use this seal right here. Gasket. So yeah. Okay guys, we put the shaft back where it was, and when you guys put it back, I really don't know what this is called, but you guys have to match it up with the little dots right there when it turns. Make sure to turn, and it has to align. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, we need a run.